Let me open with something a lot of guys miss. Even now, when everyone talks about boundaries and independence, a lot of women still like being approached by a guy they actually find attractive. The catch is, they usually do not announce it. They show it quietly, through body language. And if you miss those cues, she often reads it one of two ways. Either you are not interested, or you do not have the confidence to act. I know the advice you hear. Don't bother women. If she wants to talk, she'll say something that sounds nice. But in real life, that is not how it usually goes. Most women don't spell it out. We hint, we test the temperature, we make it easy for you to step in. And, yeah, sometimes we get annoyed when a guy clearly has the green light and still does nothing. Picture this, she's across the room. She's basically handing you the moment, and you never walk over. From her side, it can feel like a soft rejection, even if you never said anything. Here's the good news. None of this is some secret mind game. You don't need a psychology degree. Once you know what to watch for, it's pretty obvious. Most guys just miss it because they're nervous or distracted, or they assume they're imagining it. So in this video, I'm going to walk you through 4 signs she wants you to come say hi. Simple, clear, no guessing. Number 1, the repeat eye contact. This is one of the biggest giveaways. Not one look, not the random glance everybody does. I'm talking about the pattern. She looks at you, holds it a second, looks away, then she finds you again later. That second look matters. The third look matters even more. Because when a woman keeps checking back in, it usually means you're on her radar. A lot of men talk themselves out of it. She's probably just looking around. Maybe I'm reading too much into it. But repeated eye contact is often her safest way to say, you can come over. She's showing comfort and curiosity without putting herself out there. Quick example, you're in a coffee shop. She looks up, your eyes meet. She gives a small smile. Back to her drink. A couple minutes later, she does it again. That is not nothing. If you never move, she often concludes you are either uninterested or you lack confidence, and the window closes. Number 2, the smile that feels personal. Not every smile is interest. Some smiles are just manners. Some are, I'm being polite smiles. You can usually tell the difference by how it lands. A polite smile is fast, tight. It disappears right away. An inviting smile lingers a bit. Her face softens. Her eyes look involved. It feels like it's meant for you. And if it happens more than once, pay attention. Most women don't keep giving that kind of warm, repeated smile to a man they want to avoid. Guys miss this because they do the she's just being nice thing. Sometimes that is true, but an intentional smile that keeps showing up is often an invitation. Number 3, the hands get fidgety in a I care how I look way. This sounds cliché, but it shows up a lot. When a woman is attracted, her nervous energy goes somewhere. Often it goes into her hands, hair touch, necklace adjustments, fixing an earring, smoothing a sleeve, not because she's vain, because you're there and she suddenly becomes aware of how she's being seen. Here's the key context. If she's doing it while also giving eye contact, smiling and staying open, it's a strong combo. If she looks uncomfortable and keeps avoiding you, then it could be stress or boredom. So don't take hair touch alone as a guarantee. Take it as a supporting signal when the rest of the vibe matches. Number 4. If you wait too long, the moment dies. I'm going to be blunt here. Signals have a shelf life. She can give eye contact and smiles and all the come talk to me cues. But if you don't act, interest often fades. Fast. A lot of women interpret hesitation as lack of confidence, or they assume you're not interested. And once her mindset flips, it's hard to get it back. This doesn't mean you should ignore boundaries or be pushy. It means when the signs are clear and the vibe is open, don't freeze. Walk over. Say something normal. Keep it respectful, because if you don't move, someone else might. And you'll be the guy who almost did it. So here's the takeaway. Women rarely say, hey, come talk to me. They show it with small cues. Look for the repeat eye contact, the personal smile, the proximity, the way her body points toward you, the little grooming gestures, the choice to stay in your space. Those are not accidents. A lot of the time they're doors being left open. And when you see it, don't talk yourself out of it. Say hi. Keep it simple. Now I'm curious, have you ever realized later that you missed a woman's signals? Or have you caught the signs and it worked out? Drop your story in the comments. I read them. And remember, the guys who do well aren't doing magic. They're just paying attention. Then they act without spiraling.